How to use WhatsApp status for Mac. WhatsApp status for Mac is good to see picture and see all your friends' statuses. Please note you cannot add a status on your Mac, at least for now. So let's see how we can use the statuses on your Mac. To see the status, just click on the circle from the top menu. On this page you will see on the top your status and below that your friends' statuses. On the right you will see the images, videos from your status and of course your views. You can click directly on the image if you want to see who viewed the status. Also, you can tap on My Status button from the right. On a status we will have some bars on the top. This is the navigation between pictures. Tap on one of them to get to the next or previous picture. On the status zone, you can also see your friends' statuses. Click on a friend's status. On this page, you can quickly reply to the status by writing a message on the bottom input. So for now, statuses on Mac are quite limited. But you have this important feature to see your friends and your statuses. If you wish to do any updates to the status, you will need to go to your phone. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.